The 20th of May is being observed every year as World Bee Day. In Shillong, a function was held at the All Saints Hall, where the Secretary of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, C Sadhu, was the chief guest. A sale of locally sourced bee products had also been organized as part of the observation of World Bee Day 2022. Speaking on the occasion, C Sadhu said that out of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, 15 of them have been achieved so far by the state, wherein bees have a very important role in contributing to such achievement. While referring to human survival, Sadhu opined that the habitat of bees must not be destroyed, as this will only spoil the environment that humans live and survive in.
In achieving 15 goals out of 17, bees have very important role to play. It gives us a perspective of how much is the importance of bee development in human development and in the sustainable development on this planet. So we should understand that, as in the very beginning of this program, where we could hear the quote from the Einstein, where if there are no bees, there is no survival for humans. So people who are very closely associated with bee development will understand it. So it reflects the conducive environment for the habitats of bees. If we are spoiling the habitats, then we are spoiling our own environment. So it requires a lot of effort. This celebration of event today should draw our attention about the role of bees in human development, not only from the perspective of economics. So for a state like Meghalaya, where we are in a very fragile setup, the sustainable development by protecting our environment is very important.
Kamarnya kadai gawi nak kiwi kilat jiputoi kan, tam ini nak sebelah mana, betul kamarnya. But kadai atas kamarnya kadai bersub ha, bani bari dah kiwi kimerat, namar bandringap, giron kam tam bersumar menlet hoj, tang tangi mengkam pada ban aibam pai lebat, kadai bari dah kiwi, giron kam bandringap pulung ban let hoj. Hadin kita kalau bagai gaji mentoi ke bengiyo ada ngap kalau sipun hangyo mentoi akan digajuk mentalik kaniga modern bok mo bakala ai naga niga surga tingi kumlo perkiu nam ta kamring ap tingi lanang iri bhai wangap ka gaji mentoi batna kamlei tang gaji mentoi nam ta yala de ngila aru banai kam ni kiwairu marba kapun kam amring ap mar bandri yo ngap kamli bandri ngap ngin hap sna ki sunduk ngap ni hapsna kitu ki mo ki bibir ni hapsna sipun ke mati kan thir gila ba kam hang ne kani ka ngap ba pi bangiri mo kan stun ko ti kani ka ngap bangiri nei kani ka ngap ka bangiri da ngile bum ne kani ngispen ni ba ka pior ne pior ni ni krong ne ka harin mga krong ne ka ngin sa strat no hagawe ka mesin dengan strat ka tolong ngila ayo da kum kani ko ngila ayo kani ko bang to mi da ne kani ko ngila po hadin mengila isla tekani karo untuk umsyu kasa saka karo sudah nei namun sa saka karo sudah padeng in so proses juga in sasna no lagi di kendil hagi dor bapero pher mo kat bini buat jemru unu kendil padeng kamram sibun banyu kendil bani fit nayo mo nomor ba ne haki wei ki kum kini ki bodes ele kilong kile ani am namta juga ne ke thak ma ke spaubi katai ka kabring ap tingi ka bayi mentoi ni